Hey everybody, this is Daniel here with Screenly. Today we are really excited to show you how to display your Klipfolio data dashboards on a Screenly digital sign. We make it quick and easy to uh, display and show the data that matters to your business to the people who use that data to make decisions. So let's run through it. The first step is to log into your online Screenly account. If you don't have one already, you can get started today with a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. And once you're inside your online Screenly account, click the Screens tab on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you're going to click the Add Screen button. You'll then see three different options on what type of screen you want to add to your account. You can add a screen using one of our physical devices, our physical digital signage players, or one of our Screenly Anywhere browser web-based screens, or through one of our Android app-based screens. And in this tutorial, we're going to be using one of our Screenly Anywhere browser-based screens. And this allows you to start a digital sign using any existing hardware you have that can display a modern web browser. So, that can be your laptop, that can be a computer monitor, that can be a smart TV. Again, any device that can display a modern web browser. So we're going to click Screenly Anywhere here, and then we're going to navigate to anywhere.screenly.io. And what this does is it creates a pairing screen because we need to tell our Screenly account what browser session we are going to send our digital signage content to. So you'll see it has a unique pairing code here. In this case, it's 6D4Z. We're going to put that in the pin section here. So 6D4Z. Okay. And then on the next section, 46TF. 46TF. Okay. And then the name section, we're going to call it test screen. Okay, perfect. And just remember that this pin code is unique to me. When you're doing this, you'll also have a pin code, but it'll be unique for your session. So be sure not to just copy and paste exactly what I'm doing here. We're going to then click add, and it will add the screen to our account. Perfect. You see that here. And the next step is we are going to add our Klipfolio data dashboard content to our online Screenly account. So we're going to click the content tab on the left-hand side here, and then we're going to click the plus new content on the top right side. And in the pop-up modal that shows, we're going to click the URL tab. And then now we got to get the public share link for our Klipfolio dashboard that we want to display. So the next step here is to log into your Klipfolio account and navigate to the dashboard that you want to display. So we want to show this executive dashboard. We're going to click go to dashboard here. Okay, perfect. Now on the top right, you'll see the share icon here. We're going to click that. And then we are going to scroll down here to publish link to dashboard. Okay. And we can have different themes here, light or dark. Let's switch it to dark. And in the visibility section, make sure that you click anyone with the link. You can also do public and available via search, but don't add a password to it. That makes it difficult for your digital signs to interpret and deal with. So with anyone with the link, we're going to click publish now. Okay, and then we're going to click copy link here. And we're going to navigate back to our online Screenly account. We're going to paste that URL in the enter URL link field. And then we're going to click the finish button. And here it's adding the content here to our digital signage account. And perfect. You'll see that looks really nice there on the right-hand side. And we can rename this Klipfolio content here and then click save on the bottom right. Okay, so we have screens, we've added content, and the next item here is that we have to add a playlist. Playlists are where you can organize content and schedule content, and you decide what screens the content plays on. So we're going to click playlist here on the left-hand side of the screen, and then we're going to click plus new playlist on the top right. We're going to give this playlist name. We'll just call it, in this case, Klipfolio playlist. And great, in the plays on section, we're going to make sure that this playlist plays on our test screen that we just recently added. Be sure to click save. Okay, in the schedule section, we're just going to schedule a date before the current date so that it starts displaying right now, but you can do a ton of advanced and recurring scheduling options. And then in the content section, we're going to click the plus button here, and we're going to type in Klipfolio, and we get that Klipfolio content that we just added, and click the plus button, and then we're going to click done here on the bottom right. And then that's it. We can also play with the duration here, but if you just have one content item, it's going to loop continuously. So here we'll put 30 seconds here in the duration, and then we're going to click save. Perfect. So that's it. So you'll see here, you'll see a finale here of all that we've done. So we've created a test screen, we've created a playlist, and we've added content to that playlist. And we can also see that in our screen section here. If you click on the test screen, you can see that our content here is queued up to play. And so that's it. So when we go to our browser-based screen, we'll see that our Klipfolio dashboard is displaying quite beautifully here. So really simple and really effective. That's how you start displaying a Klipfolio data dashboard with your online Screenly account. And you can then get your data in front of people who use that to make decisions rather than data kind of hiding in emails and Slack threads. You can use digital signs to get it out in the open and make it really easy to see and interact with. So thanks for checking out our Klipfolio tutorial. We have a ton of other tutorials on the Screenly website. Please do check those out. Tutorials here of you all. Thanks again for watching.